Now that we're coming into winter, we'll be looking at our scarves as well, and I'm going to show you how to fold your scarves. So depending on the size of them, what you're looking to do is make them into quite a small rectangle. So this one you can see is quite big, so I'm going to fold it. It has already been folded in half. I'm going to fold it in half again, and I suppose so that you're not getting creases into it, now is the stage to smooth with your hands. I'm then going to fold it in half again, so you can see I've quite a good rectangle there, and then we're going to fold this in half, leaving a wee bit spare there, and you find if you leave a wee bit spare at the bottom, it actually sits better. And then depending on the depth of your drawers, we can go half and half again, and that then will stand up quite nicely. Or if you've quite deep drawers, you can fold this in thirds. Now it won't stand up the same way, but you will then get more scarves into your drawers. So for my drawers, I'm going to go half and half again, and then I'm going to add it to my other scarves here.